Good morning, guys. Super duper good morning. I know this particular session, Saturday, Super Saturday, every morning, 11 o'clock. I know there are a lot of people who are waiting for this. And I know there are a lot of people who are getting benefited with this particular Facebook Live also. So mark your calendar every week, Saturday morning, 11 o'clock, we are discussing one interview or one career tips. Today topic is I am going to give you some set of job hunting tips for to grow in your career. Job hunting tips for the aspiring tech graduates, the freshers, the tech professionals. And it will not only help for the technology people, it will not only help for the tech graduate, it will help to every single person who is applying the job and who are in the job search journey. So today we are going to discuss job or eight job hunting tips which you can apply from today. So number one, if you are a recent graduate, and if you are recent graduate and you have the pressure from your family, from your friend, from your peers, take some time and enjoy. Yes, you must be thinking that I am here going to give you the tips to get the job and I am telling you to enjoy. Yes, my dear friend, you go on vacation, enjoy, spend some time with your family, spend some time in your hobby rather than taking pressure on your head. Spend some time with your loved one. Yes. And this is the number one step. Why? Because once you get the job, you never know which location you will be getting job. You never know how much time you have to give there, what will be the job culture, what will be the work timing. And by this way, you will not able to give the time which you can give the time to your family, friend, relative, and loved one right now. So number one, first and foremost priority, number one, first and foremost important things which you should follow, spend time with your family, spend time in your hobby, enjoy your day, enjoy your time from today itself. And you will enjoy every single minute when you think that you can. Number two. Number two is very simple. Do proper research. Do proper research, aim high. When I say aim high, it means you should know which industry you are going to apply the job, which industry you are going to check your career, or else which industry will be your future. Number one, enjoy your time. Number two, you should know which industry you are going to be with that industry for your entire life. And number two, the remaining number two is, if you know the industry, list down at least 50 to 100 organization name. Let me tell you myself, when I was searching the job almost 10, 12 years back, I mean, you know what I have done? I was staying in Delhi. I opened Google, all IT organization listed in Google. I have created the list and I have started shortlisting which is applicable to me, and I have applied anywhere and everywhere. You know, that was the biggest mistake I have done, but at least I have listed down the organization which is there in that particular location. So you should know your location, you should know your industry, you should know. Then number third part, if you know the industry, if you know the organization, then you should know the question which you are going to encounter during the interview in that company, in that organization. You should know the industry. Let's suppose it's IT industry. Then you should know the company name. How many company you can apply, which company will be your future. You have to shortlist, not they will select you. And then if you have shortlisted yourself for that company, it means that company, that organization is in your list. Then start preparing for those organization. List down some interview questions, check their website, check their social media handles, and follow them at least for 30 days and check what is going on. Talk to some people, talk to recruiter, talk to alumni, talk to previous employees, talk to current employees, do networking properly. Yes, it will help you to prepare well for the interview. And don't expect that you will get job anywhere and everywhere wherever you apply. It will not happen. Don't expect that you have applied 10 job and all 10 will call you. It will not happen. It will never happen actually. And number 3, you have to emphasize your skill. You have to brush your skill. You have to be the master of your skill, be it soft skill or be it hard skill. Check yourself. If you want to know about soft skill and hard skill, check the previous recording of this Super Saturday session. You might get, because I remember 2 weeks back I spoke about soft skill and hard skill. Yes. So this is number 3. You have to emphasize, you have to brush your skill. And number 4, you should be curious. You should ask intelligent question during the interview. You should ask relevant question during the interview and be grounded and be optimistic. Be move ahead. Ask what is next. What is next? What could be the next? If you want to know more about this, what is next, check the rest of this video on YouTube. You will get better idea what you can ask, what is next. And number 5, you should be prepared. You should be prepared well. It's totally related with number 2 and number 5. Both are interrelated. So if you're doing the proper research, list on the industry, organization, interview, their mission, vision, organization, about us page, it means you are 100% prepared. Now, you can go even one step ahead if you want to prepare. Number 1, join mock interview session, which I'm going to organize 31st of July morning 11:30. Next week morning 11:30, be in that session. Don't even miss that session, because this is going to be the game changing in your career and it's free of cost. Mock interview. You should know the salary, how much you can expect from the organization. You should know your worth. Actually, you should know your worth. So if you are a fresher, check in Glassdoor pay scale and you can check how much they are offering. Let's suppose you have listed down 5 organization name: TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, like those organizations. You should know how much they are offering to other fresher. Check in Glassdoor, check in LinkedIn, check in PayScale, and note down during the interview if they are giving you the chance to ask about the salary. You can ask your worth. And next one, be active in networking. If I'm saying be active in networking, be active on LinkedIn. Talk to recruiter, talk to people, talk to alumni, talk to your friend, family, relative who are there in that particular organization. Check with them, get the genuine feedback, human feedback, not robot, not machine, human feedback. Talk to them face to face, meet with them, virtual call, telephonic call, video call. Check with them. Build good relationship. And last but not the least, you should have a goal. Many people, even when I was in my early stage of my career, many people underestimate this goal word. That's why if you see behind, goal is the big word. You should have a clear cut goal. You should have your short term goal, you should have your mid term goal, and you should have your long term goal. Short term, mid term, long term. You should have a clear career goal. So if you want to set your career goal, link in the comment box below. Set one-to-one clarity session, 100% free of cost with you and me. Let's set the goal for next 90 days and let's change the game. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you are enjoying this Super Saturday morning 11 show, morning 11 Facebook live. Next week, we are going to meet morning 11:30 mock interview session that is in association with Sahyog Charitable Foundation. And after that, every Saturday morning 11, no matter what, we are going to meet live. It's my commitment to all of you, and I hope you are enjoying. Keep learning, keep shining. All the best. If you have any question, you can comment down in the comment box also, in the below comment box. And if you need more detail or if you want to talk to me, book one-to-one career clarity session, which is the link is given below. And if you want to be the part of mock interview session, then link is given below. Go ahead, register yourself. And most important thing, you should be the part of mock interview session. It's a free of cost. We are going to help each other to grow in the career. Thank you so much, guys. Keep learning, keep shining. All the best.